Check out this homepage. Between the promoted posts at the top and the sidebar banners, half the screen is covered in stuff I didn't even come here to see. Even on YouTube, the entire top row of your feed is usually just one big recommended ad. It's noisy, it's distracting, and it just slows everything down. Let's clear all that out. Alright, let's get your screen back. Instead of hunting through the store, we're going to take a shortcut. Head over to getadblock.com. Right in the center, you'll see a big button that says Get AdBlock Now. Go ahead and click that. It'll take you straight to the official extension page on the Chrome Web Store, so you know you're getting the right one. From here, just click Add to Chrome. When the confirmation window pops up, hit Add Extension. Give it a second to do its thing. It's basically a digital deep clean for your browser. Once it's finished, let's make sure it's visible. Click the Extensions menu, that's the puzzle piece in the top right corner, and hit the pin icon next to AdBlock. Now, go back to your YouTube homepage and give it a refresh. All those promoted blocks at the top, gone. Just your videos, exactly how it should be. It's honestly hard to go back once you see how clean the web can actually look. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to optimize your setup. I'll see you in the next one.